Hello everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are solving 20 divided by 4 plus 2 times 4. When we look at this equation, we can see that we have division here, we have addition here, we have multiplication here. This tells us that we need to follow the order of operations called PEMDAS. P here stands for parentheses. That is, you solve the one in bracket first. The E stands for exponent, something like 2 square. M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. You work from left to right. And the last one is addition and subtraction. You work from left to right. Looking at this equation, we can see division from the left. Division, we are going to do the division first. Now, 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. We have a new equation which is 5 plus 2 times 4. Next is multiplication. 2 times 4 will give us 8. So we have new equation which is 5 plus 8. And 5 plus 8 will give us 13. This is the correct answer. The common mistake people make in this kind of equation is that they don't follow the order of operation. That is, they will just go from left to right. They solve division and they solve addition. Whereas according to order of operation, addition is the last. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.